Hi. Super cute.
I have 2 gift bags for the both of you. Take a picture. Take the top off. Everybody's doing the video.
Got to.
Yeah. Okay. That's cute. Thank you. Okay.
Uh-huh. Thank you so much. Wow. Talk about a grand tea party entrance. Janice from This is Bliss RV and Garden knows how to host an extremely beautiful tea party. If you missed it, you missed it. I'm so sorry. However, I was grateful to have my friend Farmer Chaz join with me. Doesn't she look pretty? She cleans up real nice. Now, this violinist, Marv Beats, was amazing. How many of you grew up listening to that song by Earth, Wind and Fire, September? It was a classic. It is a classic.
And you know what? The garden praises the rain and the thunder and the
Yes,
light.
it does.
I don't know if you've ever looked outside, for those of you that aren't gardeners, but those of us that are gardeners, when you look at your garden, when it is this kind of weather, they look like they're praising the Lord. They are raised to the sky. And you guys, you ladies are just all beautiful flowers, and you are look like you praising the Lord too today. I'm telling you. So I just thank you for being here. And Marvelous Beats opened up for us. This is Mr. Marvell. I'm going to just have him say a couple of words to you because he has to go to a wedding. But this guy, I found him online, and he's going to be back again for sure.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you all for your energy, by the way. Everybody coming in, just showing the positive energy. I appreciate that as I'm about to hit the road to my next spot. But my name is Marvell. I'm a violinist, play hip hop and R&B. I do all kinds of events. So, birthday.
What are you doing? Let's give it up for Marvell. So I am Aisha Still. Yeah, mommy still calls me Aisha Ruth. But yeah, I just got married last year. So today, welcome to Janice's 2nd annual garden party. Can you guys all see me right here, or should I like move forward? Like it's like a weird spot. Okay. Okay. Well, so I want to open up the day with just a little little icebreaker. So if you can, I would love some active participation. If everybody can take out their phones. And I would like for you, if you haven't already, there is a QR code on the tables for you to like, comment, subscribe to Bliss RV and Gardening. Walking around mingling, because I do not want you guys in your seats. Right now is the only time I want y'all in your seats, and if you're eating. But other than that, we'd love for you guys to walk around, mingle, and partake in all the beautiful things we have back here. So with that bingo card, there are 3 ways to win. If you do an L shape, any way. If you do a T shape, whether it's regular way or upside down, or if you do a blackout card. So you will find all those items throughout the backyard and in the garden. So take the opportunity. We have a couple from the Maryland area. We have a So first, I would love to introduce, when you hear your name, just raise your hand, say hey, because that is the garden party word of the day, clearly. So, so first, I'd love to introduce from Maryland, Miss Yancey Network. Michelle Yancey Network. Is she here? Is she here? Not yet.
She's not here yet.
Well, if she's not here yet, let's go on. As soon as she gets here, I will introduce her to you guys. Our next Maryland girl is Miss Shelly, part of Shelly's Homestead Hideaway, right over there. She was here with us last year and had a fun little Oprah giveaway for us. So make sure you mix and mingle with Shelly. Next, we have from Maryland, Miss Nikki, the everyday life of the OCD-ish chick. Make sure y'all check her out. If you guys get any content with them in it, make sure you tag them. And then next, hailing all the way from the big TX, we have Miss Cynthia of CC's Garden. So make sure you guys show her that Maryland, that warm Maryland love that we have up here. And then lastly, I think she's from South Carolina, a native to New Jersey now.
She got it.
Are you here, Miss Farmer Chaz? Hey! I did my research. So make sure you guys mix, mingle. Like I said, if you get pictures or any.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm like, first and foremost, you guys are beautiful, okay? Okay, I expected beauty, but I think I just walked into something different up in here. I'm loving it.
Yeah, where's the lie? The ladies was definitely given self-love, beauty on this day.
That's how this entire journey started. I started with growing like a few things in my garden, experimenting with different things, had a lot of failures. But while in that midst of me gardening, I started to see the purpose of God in my life. And I honestly started to see God in nature. And that happy birthday to you. Sissy, come on up here. Happy birthday to you.
Even if your birthday not in June, this is for you as well. We celebrate birthdays all year round around here.
That's right.
And I have my garden channel for 3 years now. And so I grow in ground, in containers, in raised beds, and green stocks, and also do hydroponics indoors. So I grow year round. We definitely have hot weather in the Houston area. Sorry, I'm just putting food everywhere. We have a hot weather, but lately we have been having a lot of rain. I don't know who lost their rain, but it's in Houston. So y'all can go get it. But yeah, that's I'm friends with Shelly. That's how I wound up knowing about Janice, because last year I watched the garden party that Shelly posted on her channel, and I was commenting to Janice saying it's so beautiful. I love your garden and everything. And she was like, Sissy, I've been following you for years. And I'm like, what? You never know who's watching you when you're a content creator. And so I appreciate that I was invited this year. And I've been enjoying the area and things like that. But yeah. Thank you for coming.
I'm gonna try something that she tried. Hey y'all.
Hey.
All right. Hi everybody. I am Farmer Chaz from New Jersey. My name. Well, I'm not gonna say my name because y'all got me on live stream. Even though Shelly's been saying it the whole time. Thank you, Shelly. But I actually.
That's what friends are for.
South Carolina native. I moved to New Jersey, so I have a very small garden space.
South Carolina.
Compliments of my husband, so small, and I have boundaries that I'm not allowed to grow in.
I did too. I just stole a little bit and a little bit.
So, yeah, so what we do is, like Jan said, we steal, right? So I currently am doing an edible landscape in the front. You can't tell it's edible because they're all pretty plants. Then I have the garden in the backyard. So I currently garden in hydroponics, in ground, raised bed, green stalks, and a few other things, okay? So I would say that my channel is not necessarily a teaching channel, but it's a channel where I
over here seeing much fine margarita. Come along with me. I'm going to show you what I do. You pick up some tidbits and tips and hacks along the way. Good for you. Because I am also getting tips and tricks from everybody that follows me. So thank you for the invitation. It was a rainy ride here, and I'm glad that I'm here. So I look forward to meeting everybody, and I hope that you follow me. It's at Farmer Shaz on YouTube. I think it's at Farmer Shaz on Instagram and Facebook and
TikTok.
all the things.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I need 3 volunteers to come up. We're going to play a game.
Uh-oh.
So 3 people, get up here right there.
Jazz is out in my garden, touring it by herself for the first time. She gonna get me for this video.
Every little moment got a natural glow. Take your time, let it all unwind. Leave that stress, yeah, way behind. Welcome home, where the roots run deep. Feel that joy, let your spirit lead. Hands in the soil, heart on beat at the hideaway. Can't be beat. You ready to grow? We're ready. Let's go. You feel that vibe? It's alive, it's alive. One time for the garden, love, grow it up, grow it up. Shelly's Homestead, Hideaway. Let's go. Sunshine shining on the garden rose. Got that good green life. Yeah, it shows. From the seeds we plant to the food we grow, every little moment got a natural glow.